So we're gonna go down this little pier, and there's it's kind of a hotel with also a restaurant down that way as well. So we're just gonna walk down it, but before we do, we'll just kind of show you exactly where we are. And we're basically in this downtown area. There's something called Kitchen Mom's Kitchen Mom's Chinese temple. Yeah, it goes down to the beach right over there. We're gonna overlook some of that water, and I think we can see that temple if they let us all the way down, and I think they will. And this is kind of the main street right here. There's also another pizza place, another little alley, but our focus is going to be down this one, and we'll see. I just want to give you a view of the temples, of the, sorry, get a view of the temple as well, and we'll see if we can go all the way down that way. 2023, COVID is over, and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're going to be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok, so stay tuned and check it all out. Okay, so let's go down. Let's see if they give me permission. It is I might try to stay here tomorrow night actually. Let's see if I can I'm just gonna show you. So that's kind of a view. So there's all these piers, and there's actually, you can see the ocean all the way down. So we're gonna see if we can go down that way. Yeah, and actually this one has all these rooms here. So we're gonna go kind of explore a little bit. It's kind of cool, part of Hua Hin. And the water was all the way in last night. So we're gonna, look how cool that looks. And then this one actually has rooms, so I'm gonna take a look at a room in a little bit. And I might stay here tomorrow night. Very cool, right? And go all the way to the end. Lots of books here. There we go. So now you can see the temple. And that temple, a lot of people will come and walk around this area. Pretty nice little space. Go all the way down to the end. And you got rooms all the way down to the end, and then the ocean was in last night, but now it's all the way out. You can kind of see there's other piers down this way as well. They go all the way down. That goes towards Cha'am, way up there. So nice little space. I'm gonna look at a room. Yeah. So I came by last night, and I was just gonna see if I could look at one today. I think I talked to you, and I was gonna see one when they're ready, if there's anything available. Okay, so I think we're gonna take a look at a room in a minute. But yeah, basically this is this little piers all the way out, so you can so kind of nice. So I imagine both sides you can overlook the water a little bit. I think there's nobody's checked out yet, but we'll find out in a moment, and we'll see. Over there, Khan.
Aircon.
Yeah. How much are the rooms?
850 baht.
Okay.
This one fan.
Okay. Let's take a look.
Yeah. Fan got aircon same.
Oh, okay, got fan and aircon. And the aircon. Oh, the
Aircon.
price is the same.
Yeah, same room.
Let me
No,
see.
same and then.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This one, fan room, aircon here.
Oh, the aircon's next door.
Aircon got fan room, same room.
Oh, the same look.
Yeah,
Oh,
same
okay.
aircon, fan.
Okay, and they're both 850.
Yeah, this one 850, this one 550 baht.
Oh, that's 550 and that's
Yeah.
850. Okay. Yeah, it looks really nice.
Yeah, okay.
And then are there some on this side as well? That looks like this side has more ocean view, right?
Yeah, this one aircon big room.
That looks really nice. Oh, this is a 2-room.
Yeah, two bed.
How much is that one?
1,100 baht.
Oh,
1,100.
oh, okay. That looks nicer,
Yeah.
but it's more expensive too.
Yeah. This one got aircon.
And that's the aircon, so this is probably
aircon,
higher.
850 baht.
Oh, 850, and you got a good view as well.
This one, 850.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
Thank you,ค่ะ. This one.
So that one's, so some pretty nice rooms. So yeah, they can stay all the way down that way, and this is kind of what it looks like. And what we're gonna do is come back on out, go to the main street. So this is right on the corner. You can see that temple on one side, and then you're right in the mix of everything. I think that was called Sirima. Yeah, Sirima Guest House. So maybe we'll film that one as well. Let's put a little context into it. So there's Sirima Guest House, air fan room, Seaview, television, hot water, cheap price. And that was it all the way down that way. And we'll also show you that view too. So Sirima Guest House. You can also get monthly as well. Nice little space. So another little taste of Hua Hin. And yeah, from that hotel you can get a different feeling altogether of the town. Another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them.
Yeah.